Assalamualaikum everyone. Good day. This is Rafia Sunzida Eva with you from College of Nursing, 𝐁𝐚𝐬𝐡, Dhaka. Today I'm here for relating the importance of English for nurses. Please be noted, I'll separate my entire presentation into two segments. One, the importance of English, then the importance of English in nursing profession. Well, first of all, in today's competitive world, the importance of English cannot be ignored. English is one of the most spoken languages around the world. English is now currently the most widely spoken and written language with some 380 million native speakers. Through the global influence of native English speakers in cinema, music, broadcasting, science, and in the internet in recent decades, it has become the most widely learned second language. Now I want to share some statistics about one of the burning questions, that how many people in the world speak English. And in the meantime, I'll add some other facts about English that you might be interested in knowing. Out of the world's approximately 7.5 billion inhabitants, 1.5 billion speak English. That's the 20% of total Earth's population. And then however, most of those are not the native English speakers. About 350 million people speak English as their first language, and there are also 743 million non-native speakers also. And did you know that all over the languages worldwide, over 2,700, English is arguably the richest in vocabulary, and that the Oxford English Dictionary listed about 5 lakhs words, and there is a 500,000 of technical and scientific words are still uncatalogued. Now I want to present the importance of English in nursing profession. In today's computer age, English is the only language that anyone can understand. There is no doubt that English is the language of communication between the people with different cultures. This is the language that can be easily understandable, and this is absolutely necessary for those reports and patient care forms, including nursing professions. Now, nurses are the person who constantly assist the doctors. And as we know that English is an international language, so it's beyond the thought that it's also important for the nurses too. Good English communication skills are very important for nurses, as they are the service providers to patients and deal with doctors, medical staff, and other relatives of the patients. And now, if we look at the field of job faculty in nursing profession, there is a huge opportunities for nurses in foreign countries. And if a nurse desire to come to that foreign country, they should have a sufficient skill on English. So that's all my point of view is about the importance of English in nursing professions. Thanks a lot for listening me with your utmost concentration.